I know I look like some kind of ninja right now, but it is so cold. Wow, it is so nice to be back. France is honestly one of the most beautiful places. Like, it's so nice to see snow again too. It's just, I enjoy the fact that it's so not modernized, you know, like this is one thing I love about Europe is just the history, just the fact that everything is just, it's kept the same as it is. And I love that. Just look at this place. Look how pure it is. Oh, god damn, dude. Beautiful. I am continually in awe of this place. It just gets better and better. It's just so quiet, it's so peaceful. And I think that's what I love the most about it, is that it's just secluded from all the, you know, just hustle and bustle of the Western world, I suppose. It's just quiet, it's so peaceful, I guess. And I love that because it is such a change from the world that I live in personally, with all the, I guess, temptations of like fast food and just all the hustle and bustle of the media. And it's just so fast paced that it's so nice to slip into a world that is so different. You know, out of all the countries and continents I've been so far, France is by far the most beautiful in a sense of just the quiet and the lifestyle. You know, the lifestyle is just so different, and just look at this. Just look at this. Obviously it's winter, so there's obviously lots of snow, but I was here in the summer and it was just as beautiful. Obviously all the leaves. The one thing I also love is the seasons. However, I know most countries do have seasons. Australia's just trash for seasons, but I love the snow since I never get to see it. It's mostly melted, but just wow. Truly wow. So we are out here taking Kelly for a walk. It's getting late afternoon, the sun's starting to set, which I find kind of weird that it sets so early. Wow, look at freaking lion's mane going on here, bro. I find it kind of weird that the sun sets so early, but I guess that's Europe. But I think it's still cool. So the dog just needs walks, and I kind of offered to go along for the ride, because any chance to see this beautiful place, I will most definitely take it. I love it. I like it here a lot. It's just pretty. Really, really pretty.